Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful 2022 Ford F-150 XL. The exterior color is space white, and under the hood we have a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen headlamps, fog lamps, and front tow hooks. Over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires. We also have black handles and mirror caps. This 2022 F-150 also comes with pre-collision assist and remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a rear camera with reverse sensing system, as well as a trailer tow package. At the interior, there are loads of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and a ton of door storage. Heading into the cabin, we have black cloth seating with adjustments located just on the side. And over at our steering wheel column, we have our headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with cruise control options to the left, and to the right we have our media hands-free options. Looking just above, we have our rear view mirror and our cabin lighting. Looking ahead at our center face, we have options such as audio, phone, navigation, apps, and settings. Just below we have our climate control area, which offers heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. Back a little farther is our middle console area, which offers a dual cup holder and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have access to power windows and door storage. And heading into the cabin, we have bench seating, which provides a ton of leg space and headroom. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and check out this beautiful 2022 F-150 XL, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.